Yo, what's up guys? It's me, back again with another video. Today in this video, as you can see I have Robux today. Of course. I spent $250 of it. And I'll tell you what I got. I got the toy animation. And yeah. Now I'm just thinking what I should go to. What to play? Michael, you have any games I should play?
I don't know. Shark Bite, I guess.
I'm not really in the mood to play Shark Bite. I'll just play Case Clicker. Oh wait, the Omega Cave!
Oh yeah, you can get some of those.
I can get 4.
How much do they cost?
50. Pretty sure.
You can get, if they cost 50, then you can get 3.
Either way, I get 3 or 4. Genius.
Thank you.
I meant that in a bad way. Idiot.
Oh, being a genius bad.
Cause it's too smart for me.
Okay, that's too smart for you.
Too smart for me. If you're too smart for me, then you're too smart.
Forever.
Then you're not.
Big epic.
Then you're not my mom.
I don't.
If you're smarter than me, you're not my mom.
So you're saying Aunt Sarah is not smarter than you?
No, I don't know how smart my own mom is. So.
You have exceeded thy tier limit.
I'm saying chat, OMG, I can get some. Well, apparently I can get some hashtag cases. Glenn, you ruined my video.
I didn't ruin nothing.
You ruined my video.
You ruined it yourself.
No, you ruined it.
You ruined it.
You ruined it. There, I had to buy some gems. Jeez. Ruined my own video. Oh, and apparently Michael you have to pay 100. Ooh, first off I got Big Head, 250 million by the way. And I can get only 2 right now. Because you have to give 100 gems to do that. So, boom. There's this. And whatever I get out of this, you guys can have. Alright, looks like the Crimson Wings, the Sun Wings you guys can have. So.
What is it, an Omega?
Pretty sure.
Well, are you gonna give it away or something?
Yeah. And if you guys want one of these and you want to trade me, make sure to friend me up or something. It's a mythic.
Mythic, is that better than Omega?
Yeah.
Oh.
But exclusive is better than mythic. And I have untainables.
Are those the best?
I don't know, they're 15 million, but they're untainable. So, I'm pretty sure they're in the Robux case, but they're harder to get. I have 2 ticks, dominuses. Stop, go away, you're ruining it even more. Have Omegas.
One big booby.
I have Mythics. I have one well. Oh yeah, I have a band hammer.
Yeah, you told me. We didn't tell me you said look at my band hammer. You also said
I have one of each rarity. Actually, no, I don't have legendary.
You have an you have a exclusive.
or epic. Yeah.
What is it?
It is Wispy Web Wings.
It's not gonna be that long until you're worth like trillions.
Right now, I'm worth 2 billion of even. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm poor now. I wish.
I would do everything exactly the way you did it.
What?
I would like spend the Robux on everything you did. Like,
What?
I'd like just do everything the same way you did to try and get 15 more. Yeah, dude.
I did it. I traded someone for those. For the banhammer stuff.
Frick, I'm half a heart. No.
I traded someone for that, okay? Alright, kind of done with that. That's kind of what I wanted. Not just that, but if I want more, then I'm glad to get more Robux, but I have no more. So, what to do? Well, I can see if anybody wants to trade. Anybody wanna trade with me?
Hey.
Guys, I can't get that. I'm sorry. Look at that. Price 100. Oh. So you don't need Robux for the Omega case no more, Michael. You just need 100 gems.
That's pretty epic.
So 10 supply drops, and then you can get one. So I'm not poor. Actually, let me see how much I spent on gems. I spent actually no, I spent 100. Spent 100. So, yeah.
What?
I just opened up a supply drop and it gave me 452.
Gems?
Mm-hmm.
Dang!
Mm-hmm.
You can get 4 more of them.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm doing right now.
Why the heck did it give you 400?
I don't know, it did.
Is it just like a random amount?
I guess.
Maybe it's not always 100.
I saw the marshmallow helmet 2 or 3 times.
Oh. I want you to get. Is the marshmallow helmet exclusive? It better be. If it's not, then I'm gonna be mad.
No, it's Omega.
What? Whatever. All I know is it looks freaking dope, and you need to get it. Once you get that, but bam.
I wish I still had that amount.
Like I would legit pay money for someone to make like a marshmallow helmet that you could like for your avatar.
Let's go back in the catalog, guys.
I would freaking pay money for that.
Mr. Skelly is 600 Robux. How come it said free?
Cause it's liar. Pants on fire.
Body parts?
Body parts.
Yeah, body parts. Let's go into the body parts. Oh yeah, I like those. Actually, no, I don't. Never mind. Take that back. You guys better not be singing about dirty when I post this up. What do I want to get? There's so much things I can buy with Not really. Right now I'm just looking because I'm very low. I have like nothing. Military, common. I'm just gonna. Whoa.
Did you get something good?
No, I'm not playing that game no more. I mean, I still have it in attack. I'm worth 3.1 bill.
Dang. I can't believe you just got 400 gems.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, are you gonna try really hard to get the marshmallow helmet?
Oh, someone wants to trade me. Let's see what they...
What?
Oh my god!
Are they super rich?
They're giving me 3.4 billion for 1.5 billion.
Take that.
No! They want my mythics.
Okay, but you're gaining so much money.
Okay, I don't care. Not just that, but I don't need 2,000 Magnabot and 1,000 Gers.
Well, I didn't know they. I thought they were trading you stuff with that. How much are they worth?
I don't know. They're giving me 2,000 Magnabots and
That's a way to get rich.
1,000
really
Gers. I don't want that. No.
That's a way to get rich really fast. Just stack up a bunch of legendaries.
I want my Omega. You have to give me like Omegas for Omegas. Or something better than an Omega. There's something.
You're trying to chat him and see if
And yes, I have comments because I like this. And I'm...
you can ask him and see if he has the marshmallow helmet and tell him you'll trade him for that.
Let's see if anybody has it.
I will legit give you everything on my Case Clickers account for a marshmallow helmet. Like, I would do anything for it. Except for give you any of my accounts. Or do any dirty stuff. Why does the game keep solving my problem?
I said, anybody have marshmallow? Anybody have mellow? I will trade you for it. This person said I do, and I said, can you trade it with me, Pools?
They trade you 6 of them.
If they gave me 6 of it, they said okay, send.
Depending on how many, if you get more than one, can I trade you for one?
Noob Slayer. Alright, let's see if they tell the truth. Or they're just a big fat... Oh, nope, they have it.
How many?
1. They have it though. Oh, that's 100 mil.
I mean, it's a marshmallow helmet.
So I'll give you 500 mil.
In my eyes, it's worth anything.
Oh crap, my battery's running low.
That's probably just me though, because I'm a marshmallow fanboy.
Okay, there. That's what I said. I was trying to say okay there, but when I did that, it kind of
Repeated.
made me want it. I didn't know that it was still there. Something just came up, so I'm gonna have to... I mean, I would have done that 500 mil for 100 mil.
If that were me, I would never, ever in my life trade that marshmallow away. Not even for 999 trillion. I would just wear that thing, walk around, and play the game. Here, I'll tell you this. The only way I'm ever playing Case Clickers, like, legitimately, is if I got a marshmallow helmet. That is the only way.
Oh wait, I have 2 Crimson's Wing. 2 Wingies.
So, if you ever want me to start playing, get an extra marshmallow helmet and I'm playing. Are you wearing it?
No, he didn't give it to me.
Why?
I don't know.
Did you decline the trade?
I said, why did you not want it? I was getting more.